Hello, and welcome to UC's tutorial on Interlibrary Loan. Interlibrary Loan is a service that allows you to borrow materials from other libraries. If the UC library doesn't own a resource you need, we can request it from a partner library on your behalf. This service is available to all current students, faculty, and staff at the University of the Cumberlands. Let's take a look at an example. I am looking for the book Jayber Crow by Wendell Berry. First, I open UC Search at ucumberlands.edu/library. Here, I can search by title to see if the University of the Cumberlands owns this item. I know this item is a novel, so I narrow my search to books. The results indicate that there are no matching titles. This means Jayber Crow qualifies for Interlibrary Loan. To find the Interlibrary Loan form, let's go back to ucumberlands.edu/library. Click the blue Research Guides/Library Resources button. On the Welcome to the Library homepage, on the left side, in the Related Links box, click Interlibrary Loan. On the home page for Interlibrary Loan are forms for 3 different resource types: articles, book chapters or essays, and entire books. You will also find forms for Interlibrary Loan renewal requests and survey inquiries. Since we need an entire book, we will choose the Interlibrary Loan book request form. You will be prompted to enter your name and user type. Remember that only currently enrolled or employed UC students, faculty, and staff are eligible for Interlibrary Loan services. If you need material mailed to your home, choose Yes in the drop-down. Enter your UC email address and your phone number. Agree to the copyright restrictions. Next is the book information section. The more information you can provide about the item you're looking for, the easier it will be to fulfill your request. You can find book information in a variety of places, like Google, Amazon, or WorldCat.org. Here is the matching record for the book we're looking for. Find the information you need in the drop-down here. Once you've finished entering all of the information, click Submit. If I am located on campus or in Whitley County, I will be notified when my book has arrived and is ready to be picked up at the library circulation desk. If I had placed a request for an article, book chapter, or essay, I will receive an email notification that my item is available with a downloadable PDF or link. You can find all ILL policies on the FAQ and Policies tab of the Interlibrary Loan page. Thanks for watching!